This morning, growing concern as measles cases already hitting a milestone. The CDC now reporting that 58 cases across 17 states this year alone, tying the number reported in all of 2023. In Ohio, the Cincinnati Health Department reporting an exposure, now urging the thousands who attended a Disney on Ice performance and are possibly experiencing symptoms to isolate and test. In Chicago, the CDC vaccinating people at this migrant shelter, trying to stem an outbreak.
Measles did not come with the new arrivals. Measles was already here.
12 cases now reported. 6 adults and 6 children have tested positive. 10 linked to the shelter. The other 2 students in local elementary schools. Last month, 7 students coming down with the virus at this South Florida elementary school. Measles is highly contagious and spreads through the air when an infected person coughs or sneezes. The CDC says it can take about 11 to 12 days after exposure to develop symptoms. Symptoms may include fever, cough, runny nose, watery eyes, and a rash of red spots.
The majority of measles cases are happening in unvaccinated individuals. A lot of it is vaccine hesitancy, which unfortunately has increased in some parts of the country since the pandemic. But also the pandemic itself caused delays in routine childhood vaccinations.
Health officials stressing vaccination is the key to prevention.
If you and your family are headed out for a spring break trip, you know there's going to be crowds. There's also right now measles outbreaks throughout the country. And you want to make sure that you are up to date on your vaccines and you are fully protected against the measles.
To put this into perspective, Dr. Patel says if one person has the measles, then 90% of the people around them can also catch it if they're not already protected. Melissa Adan, ABC News, Los Angeles.